Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video on the breakdown of research, and today we shall be looking at the different kinds and types of research. In case you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so as to be among the first people to watch the next video, which is yet to come. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. Research mainly has got two main kinds or types, and these are quantitative research and qualitative research. Quantitative research, this refers to the systematic empirical investigation of any phenomenon using statistical or mathematical procedures. Its main objective is to develop and employ mathematical methods, theories, and hypotheses. On the other hand, each and everything has got its own disadvantages and advantages. For the quantitative research, its advantages include it allows the researcher to measure and analyze data. 2. The researcher is more objective about the findings of the research. 3. It can be used to test hypotheses in experiments. On the other hand, some of the disadvantages may include it mainly ignores the context of the study or experiment. That is 1. 2. It does not study things in the natural or phenomenological settings. 3. A light sample of the study must be studied for more accurate results to come out. Secondly, we shall be looking at the qualitative research. This type of research deals with phenomena which are difficult or impossible to quantify mathematically. For example, the beliefs, meanings, attitudes, and symbols. It's also got its own disadvantages and advantages. Some of the advantages include enables more complex aspects of a person's experiment to be studied. Fewer restrictions or assumptions are placed on the data to be collected. And lastly, the participants are able to provide data in their own words. It's also got its own disadvantages, like it is more difficult to determine the validity and reliability of linguistic data, and it is more subjectively involved in analyzing data, and it is also time consuming. Let's look at the differences between the two of them. Qualitative research is inductive. Being inductive refers to the process by which someone creates a conclusion as well as how they believe their conclusion to be true, while quantitative, on the other hand, is deductive. Being deductive requires one to start with a few general ideas called premises and apply them to a specific situation. Number 2, qualitative research is subjective, which means it is based on personal opinions, interpretations, points of views, emotions, and judgment, while quantitative research is objective, which means it is fact-based, measured, and observed. Thirdly, qualitative research has got very little structure, while quantitative research has got a high degree structure. Fourthly, quantitative research does manipulate data compared to quantitative research, which doesn't manipulate data. And last but not least, qualitative research takes a lot of time to conduct compared to quantitative research, which may take little time to conduct. These two have got their different subs, which include applied research, basic research, correlational research, descriptive research, explanatory research, historical research, to mention but a few. Applied research refers to the scientific research that seeks to solve practical problems. It is used to find solutions to everyday problems rather than to acquire knowledge for the sake of it. For example, research to improve the conduct of national examinations, research to improve agricultural production. Basic research refers to the research driven by curiosity or interest in a scientific question. Its main goal is to expand knowledge about something and not to create or invent something new. For example, how did the universe begin? How do slime molds reproduce? Correlational research is a type of research that seeks to determine relationships between two or more variables without necessarily determining causes and effects. For example, investigating if there is a relationship between gender and academic performance. Descriptive research seeks to provide an accurate portrayal of the features or characteristics of an individual, group, or situation. It is a way of discovering new meaning, describing what exists, categorizing information, and determining the frequency of accuracy of something. Explanatory research involves testing a hypothesis and deriving that hypothesis from available theories. Historical research refers to the type of research that involves analysis of events that occurred in the remote or recent past. It helps us to see where we came from and what kinds of solutions we have used in the past and their application to the present time. It provides the researcher with the context for making realistic decisions. It also relies on an already existing information and can be time-consuming. Phenomenological research is an inductive research which is concerned with the study of experiences from the perspective of the individual. It emphasizes the importance of personal knowledge or perspectives and interpretations of situations. Example, the sexual relationships of people with intellectual disabilities. And last but not least, we are looking at participatory action research. Participatory action research here, people affected by a social problem work with a researcher to study a problem, collect data, analyze data, make recommendations, and use the results to influence social change. Usually, it aims to empower those affected by the social problems. So guys, that's all we had for today. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button in case you enjoyed the video.